loaded up the car with the bits and bobs for Bingley. So in here we have the wings for Josh, so they're ready to go for you, mate. And in the back seat we've got a petrol tank, which is for a friend of mine who is swapping that for a rear wheel arch panel for the project. So yeah, sounds good to me. My doors are shut properly, and I need to lock my boot. So today it is Wednesday. Yeah, I think it's Wednesday. Bingley Hall on Sunday. I don't know when you'll be seeing this video. Maybe Friday or Saturday. Yeah, it'll be Friday or Saturday that you guys see this video. We'll say Friday. So yeah, that's all ready. Car loaded, ready for Bingley. So tomorrow, gotta wash the car. And yeah, then we'll be ready to go. So today we're going to try and carry on stripping this inner wing off the car. So yeah, I think we've got some spot welds left to drill out along the bottom edge here, and I really don't know what goes on with this down here. Well, apparently the sill sort of overlaps the inner wing here, but it's all just a splattered mess of weld where it's been repaired in the past. So I think what we're going to end up doing for now is just drill spot welds out up to here, and then just get the grinder and just cut along there. Just because, yeah, I can't really tell what's going on there. I can't easily just drill all that out and everything, because it's all just been repaired in the past. So yeah, I think that's what we're going to have to do, and then we can clean all this up once the rest of the inner wing is out. So yeah, I've got small spot welds to drill out on there. Some of these probably aren't deep enough. Yeah, and I'm not sure, trying to work out if these little lines along here, if that is actually welded to the inner wing. I feel like it probably is, so yeah, we'll have to see what's going on with that. Yeah, we have an old cordless drill at home, but I think the battery is absolutely dead, because the charger's putting out 13.7 volts. But the battery, after being on charge for 3 or 4 hours, was still at 0.00. So I think the battery's just dead, but it's not being used for a good 2-3 years probably. So yeah, that's unfortunate. So we're just going to carry on using the air drill to drill out these spot welds. So just to listen to the noisy compressor, that's all. But no bother, that's why we have it. So yeah, let's get the overalls on and cue the music / time lapse. Yeah, let's do some work. Okay then guys, so we have the inner wing off. Kind of daunting just seeing this great big hole here, it really is. So yeah, there we go, that's kind of that. This is all just shabby patch, is that, and that there is the inner sill that someone has slapped over the top of the old one. So it's all a bit of a mess really, is that. So yeah, here's the wing. It ended up a little bit folded up. Just unfold it a bit. So yeah, fair number of spot welds in that. So yeah, it was pretty rusty in most of the places. So I think it was worthwhile getting rid of it, I think. There we go. Add it to the scrap pile. So yeah, that's all I'm doing for today now. It's spot on 7:30. I haven't had my tea, obviously. So yeah, I'm off home, have some food, and I won't be back here till maybe Sunday night after Bingley. It depends how much stuff I buy. If I can't fit it all in my car, then I will have to get someone else to bring it for me who's passing by. So it depends really how much I get, whether I come on Sunday evening to drop all the stuff off or not. By the way, I'm not going to be doing any more work here now until Monday, I'd imagine. So yeah, there it is from the inside. Let me bring my light. Love this little light, it's great. Very pleased with it. So yeah, you can see there's a great big dirty patch there, and there is the inner sill that someone just slapped over the old one. Ah yes, the end of this dash rail. Let's have another look from here. Okay, so that has completely sheared off, and it's also a little bit bent from removing the inner wing because a couple of the spot welds were still slightly attached, and this is just really flimsy metal. So yeah, I don't know whether to try and just repair this here or whether to buy, because I know you can buy the dash rail panels like the full thing. I don't know if you can buy just the ends or not, so I'll have to have a look into that and see how much they are, because if they're like really cheap, you know, I'll just pick up the end of the dash rail if you can do that, because it'll be just easier than quicker than having to make it myself. But so if they cost much, then I'm not going to bother. I'll just make my own, because you know I've got a great big sheet of metal over there. So yeah, I'll just see what I can do really. So yeah, there it is. There's inside the doorpost at this side. It's really not too bad. I've not seen worse because I haven't done this before, but I know the driver's side's going to be a lot worse. So yeah, so this panel here is going to have to come out as well, because it's just made of cheese. It's so soft. I don't even know how good the bracing is going to be on there, because yeah, it's really weak. So yeah, just hope that is doing its job really. And then we've got some crumbs in here. Well, this here is actually the remains of the old inner sill and stuff. Ugh, it's really crispy. It's not good. So yeah, I think that's about all there is to show you really. This here at the bottom as well is really thin. You can see it's just pitted, but it's really, really thin. That needs just a new piece making up to go like along there really, or maybe all the way along the bottom like that, just because it's all a bit thin and bendy, and this is all a bit out of shape now after drilling it out. So I need to get some cardboard, so I'm going to do some cardboard aided design and make up a new bit on there. And then this obviously here, that's meant to be blanked off, so this is going to need quite a lot of repair actually, because this is all just really thin metal. So I'm going to have to cut out quite a lot of that. Probably even just maybe cut it off like along here and just do a whole new bottom piece perhaps, because that is quite bad. It's really rotten, especially considering it's quite thick metal as well. There's just not much left to that at all. So yeah, the bottom of the cross member inside is just a bit of surface rust, so we can clean that. That'll be okay. You can see inside there, hopefully. So yeah, I think we'll call it today. Oh, one more little update. This here is very, very thin as well. on the inside panel. Is that part of the top dash rail? I'm not sure. I think it is. So yeah, we might need to make up a new little bit that goes on there, because that is just tin foil, is that basically. So yeah, gonna just tidy up now and go home. So hope you enjoyed this one, guys. If you haven't already, then subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, and yeah, hopefully see you in a few more days. It won't be a full like 4 or 5 days for you guys like it will be for me, because I'm staggering the uploads a bit. So yeah, catch you in the next one, guys. Bye for now.